You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name and this Spanish word as well. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So let's learn the Spanish and how it is said in English as well. Cimarron. This is a brand of jeans, fashion brand. Cimarron. Cimarron. All right. In English, it's normally pronounced as Cimarron. It's also the name of a drink in South America. Cimarron. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.